Hey dolls, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do oil cleansing. I actually saw this on YouTube and I'm going to put a link on the description bar below where a person really explained how this works. But basically the concept is oil attracts oil. So what we're going to do now is use oil to cleanse my face and massage it for 30 minutes for it to really lift the oils out, the sebum, the dirt. So we're going to try that on my face and we'll see if it actually works. So what I'm going to use for this oil cleanse is my Innisfree Jeju Volcanic Blackhead Out Balm. This actually claims to remove blackheads. I've used this before and I did a review on this. I'm also going to link that on the description bar below. And I liked it as a oil cleanse, but I didn't really see a huge difference when it comes to blackhead removal. And I'm thinking maybe because I only applied it for a couple of minutes, not half an hour, and I didn't apply a lot of it. So in this oil cleanse, I'm going to be generous with the amount that I'm going to put on my face using this Innisfree oil balm. And I'm also going to add 100% jojoba oil. So I'm really going to be generous on my face. I'm going to put a lot of oil on there and massage it for half an hour, and we'll see if I would actually remove impurities on my skin. Because on the videos that I've watched, there's really like black things that came out of their face. So let's see if I'm also going to have that kind of effect on my skin. So I've already cleansed my face, so we can start. So I'm going to put a generous amount, like this much. And I'm also going to put, oopsies, a lot of jojoba oil. And I'm just going to melt the balm on the palm of my hands and then apply it. Oh gosh. So let's put the timer on. Set timer for 30 minutes. I'm going to wipe my hands because I think I put a lot. Okay, meanwhile, we're going to play music. So I'm going to rub my face for half an hour. It's gonna be so boring, so I'm gonna play music. So I am going to disable the music because I don't want to have any copyrights. Like if I see any black filaments and things like that, I'm instantly going to show you. I don't know, I think I put a lot. I think the Blackhead Out Balm is already too much. And then I put the jojoba oil. I went like crazy with my oils. But worst comes to worst, I'm just going to wipe off a little. Okay, so 30 minutes is done and my face feels really, really warm. And I actually got a few of that like flaky skin. I'm going to show you on this video. And some dark flakes, and I think that's my mascara. But overall, my face feels really warm, but also very, very soft. I'm going to show you what my nose looks like now. So that's the middle. I could tell you though, it doesn't look dark at all, right? Like it looks clear. Like look at that. Like that's full of oil, but there's no dark spots. Usually this looks like, usually my blackheads look very dark. But look how clear it looks like. Oh my god. Other side. Oh, especially this side. This side usually is super dark. But look at that. It's very clear. And that's the middle of my nose. Look how clear that looks like, honestly. This is the middle of my nose. Oh gosh. Why is it not dark? It looks very clean. I mean, it's oily, but like the plug of oil is actually not dark. So I'm going to just wash my face off with like a foaming wash so I can remove all the oil. I'm gonna tone and moisturize, and we're going to look at the microscope once again. So I finished cleansing my face and I put a toner on. I'm just going to moisturize later, but let's look at the microscope again. Oh my god. Look how clean my nose is. Honestly. So I really think that this oil cleansing is a good technique to really remove the impurities on your skin. It works. It really made my face really clean. I couldn't believe that my blackheads are not even there. Like, they're there, but it doesn't look dark. And usually the darkness is because of like the dirt and it being oxygenated, but from what I saw, it was really clean, and I feel like my skin is very soft to the touch. But I'm really impressed on how well it did on my skin. It really cleaned my face. It really took out the dirt on my face, even though I didn't remove a lot of dead skin cells compared to other people who did the oil cleansing. But I'm just so impressed that when I look at the microscope, my nose looks so much brighter. I've never seen my nose super bright like that. It's always dark. Like, my blackheads are dark yellow or even black. So to see it very clean and clear, this is the first time I've seen my nose that clean and clear. So if you have congested skin, if you have a lot of blackheads on your nose, I think that this oil cleansing technique will be a good option for you. So I hope that you find this video helpful, and if you did, please don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll always be updated once a new video is out. Thank you so much guys for watching. I'll see you in my next one.